Stanza Living's Vadus house could be your next home. The location of this residence is ideal for you to reach work or college on time every day, with Beehive and Prestige Lexington Tower as well as Christ College just round the corner. Accessibility to Nexus Mall makes shopping super easy, and you can also enjoy the crawl street. Enter to find a multi-tier security system keeping an eye out. The open area reception welcomes you in, keeping the place lively. There are various measures of security across the residence ensuring your safety. If your room is on one of the top floors, take the elevator and find yourself in the corridor. Now, these aren't your usual PG style bedrooms. Instead, what you are signing up for is an entire apartment with a common area, furnished with seating and a television, the kitchen fitted with an RO and fridge, as well as your cozy and furnished bedrooms. Beds, cupboard space, and a little bit of warmth is on offer here. Bedrooms come with attached washrooms which promise hot water supply. The dining area is an absolute treat. Cozy and colorful with an open setting, you can enjoy that lovely breeze or watch some TV. High-speed Wi-Fi runs hot through the property. Meals from our FSSAI certified kitchens are served here every day, and a small pantry sits here as well, so you aren't left stranded. Hang out here in this enormous corner and think those thoughts. Call out to the housekeeping staff through the resident app. Vadus house is a definite favorite, so pack your bags and come on here.